In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Whoop. So I'll show you how to set up the device and also how to start syncing all of your data. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is go and grab your device like so, and you need to make sure that the battery pack is fully charged. So you can grab a USB-C cable and go and plug one end into this battery pack here, and you can plug the other end into a charging outlet. Now you should see an LED light on the battery, and this just indicates that it's charging. Now once the battery is charged, you can then go and slide it onto the watch like so. Now as long as there's enough charge in the battery, you should see a green LED light, and this is going to wake up the Whoop device. Now the next thing you need to do is go and head over to your smartphone. So this could be an Android, and you can also use iPhones as well. Now once you're on your phone, we need to open up the App Store like so. If you're on an Android, you'll need to open up the Google Play Store. You can then use the search box and go and type in Whoop, and then you'll need to download the official Whoop app. You can then go and open up the app like so. You may get some notifications asking to allow Bluetooth connections. Make sure to press allow. Now once you're on the sign in page, select I have a Whoop device. You'll then need to start by creating an account. So I'm going to enter my email address and press next. You can then press next again, and now you need to go and place the Whoop on your wrist. So typically this should be placed about 1 to 2 inches above your wrist bone. Now this will ensure that all of our measurements such as our sleep and our heart rate is going to be measured accurately. Now you'll also need to tighten the band to make sure it fits around your wrist without moving. So once it's fitted tightly, you can go and press next. Make sure the battery is placed on your Whoop and then press next. You can then click on next again, and you should be able to find your Whoop device. Go and select it from the list, and it should now automatically pair the device. You can go and press pair. Now select continue, and as you can see, we are now connected. Now in order to use Whoop, you will need a subscription. Now typically you'll get a free trial period, and then after that you'll be billed annually. Now it's important that you wear your Whoop 24 hours a day in the first 2 weeks of using it. This is going to calibrate all of your data, and it's going to use this to give you the best results possible. So once you're signed into the app and you have a membership, you'll see this portal here. So over in the top right hand side, you'll see your battery percentage on the Whoop, and over in the bottom navigation, you can click on health. And here you'll find all of your different measurements such as your sleep and your heart rate. Now like I said, it will take a couple of weeks in order for this data to be populated. So just make sure to keep wearing your Whoop watch, and you can come back to here after a couple of weeks and you'll be able to see all your biometrics.